Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, leather shift knob, overhead console, panic alarm. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.